How to add link to TikTok bio. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add a link on TikTok bio. First of all, open up your TikTok account. After you open your TikTok, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So after you open your profile like this, now go ahead now and tap on this edit profile button. Edit profile. So after you tap on this edit profile, now scroll to down and tap on this section which says website. This one, website. So in this section now you can go ahead and add your link that you want to add. So after you just delete the existing link and paste in your link like this. Now after you add your link, now you can tap on this save button. After you save it, now we'll go back. So you'll be able now to see your link like this on your TikTok account, like this one. If you tap on it like this, now it will open it for you in your browser. So as you can see now, here is now my link that I add on my TikTok bio. That's it guys on how to add a link on TikTok bio. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.